Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You're watching MC Car Kid, and today we're back in Greenville taking a look at the new update which added 3 new cars. So today I didn't really plan on uploading twice, but things went a different way than what I had planned because, you know, nothing ever goes the way I plan. So I did have to upload twice today. I shouldn't have uploaded the Bloxburg video yesterday, but I didn't know there was going to be a update in Greenville today. So you're getting two uploads today. The 3 new cars that were added though are the 1989 Ford Bronco, the 2001 Toyota Avalon, and the 2020 Kia Stinger GT, which is right behind me. I've been waiting quite a while for the Stinger to be added into Greenville, and I'm not disappointed. So, starting out with the front end, you have Kia's nice, unique design headlights with their signature tiger nose grille. Along the sides, mirror turn signals with your nice rims. We'll walk around to the back here. Again, this is like a hatchback type design with a floating roof, so everything, the entire model is built super well. Hop into the car though. Rev it a little bit. No real special sound, but brake lights, running lights for the reverse lights, or headlights I should say. Turn signals in the front, and again your mirror turn signals and headlights off in the front. Horn, and let's get driving. So I can already feel that I'm going to be giving this a high rating. I've driven this for a little while now. It's been about 10 minutes I've been driving this thing around, and I'm not disappointed whatsoever. I'm gonna have to run this red light right here to get to our top speed, and 169 miles per hour in 8th gear. That is quite fast for a Kia. Now this was Kia's attempt at a sports sedan, and they really hit it right on the head with this thing. It's amazing. In the game too, Milk did a great job with the render and just everything. The sound, lights, lighting, everything. It's just amazing. Handling is super good. Do I say well or do I say good? Again, handles super well. Great car. This is an amazing car. I don't remember the price. I kind of just go in and buy the car, but I always do split price. So that's just that. Ooh! Hey, look, come on. You got this. Go, go! Go! It's them. Come on! Can y'all drive? Jeez. Yeah. Beautiful car though. Amazing. Solid 9.5 out of 10. I love this thing. This is probably going to be my new daily. Better than the QX60. I actually really like the QX60, and I was driving it for quite a while as my daily, but this is probably my new daily. Again, 9.5 out of 9.5 out of 10. Amazing car. Highly recommend it. Let's hop into our next car. So, our next car is the 2001 Toyota Avalon. Again, quick walk around the entire exterior of the car. I usually don't do that for every car, but reverse taillights. Come on, taillights aren't working, but horn, turn signals, headlights. So yeah, taillights are again they blend in with the running lights in the back, so that usually happens with a lot of cars in Greenville, so not really. I didn't know if I should guess the horn already, but there it was. And they always honk. People always honk back. It's kind of annoying. Let's keep driving though. Trying to hit the top speed. This thing is not gonna reach near 170 miles per hour like the Kia Stinger. No way. 125 miles per hour in fourth gear though, so it's not terrible. It's not awful. Again, it's not amazing, but it's not awful. Turn here. Again, all of the cars in this update are gas and electric cars, but you need the luxury pass for the Kia Stinger and you need the classic pass for the Bronco. Pretty much expected. Try and catch up with this guy. Ignore my aggressive, terrible driving. Yeah, I'm not the best driver. I like to drive pretty aggressively if I can. Bye bye. Yeah, this thing is quite a nice, cheap car. I do gotta say, I kinda like this thing. It's again not getting nearly as high as the 9.5 Kia Stinger is getting. I'm actually gonna give this thing an 8 out of 10. I don't think I've given any car an 8. I don't think I've. No, I might have given it a car. I think the Titan was like an 6. But this thing, I would never usually give an old car like this a high rating because it's just not my role. But yeah, solid 8 out of 10. Let's hop into our next car though. So the next car is, come on, the 1989 Ford Bronco. I do highly recommend that Toyota Avalon though. If you guys want a cheap car that's decently fast. Turn signals in the back, reverse lights, headlights, or not reverse lights, brake lights. I always call the brake lights reverse lights. Horn. This thing sounds pretty good, not gonna lie. Let's see what can we hit for top speed. I think it's easier if we just floor it right here. Come on. Yeah. Come on. My horn reactions, whenever I honk at somebody, it's always delayed. I never get a nice honk. Unless it's like at a traffic light, because right when I don't know. Come on, buddy. You gonna go? You gonna go. Come on. He probably wants to cut me off or do something to me and follow me and try to run me off the road because I honk. 122 miles per hour in 5th gear is the top speed of this Bronco though. And the reason I probably should start saying all of the fictionalized names because the owner of the game did have to, I guess he had to make all fake names for copyright reasons. So I probably should say the fictionalized name of each car just so you guys can find it better, but when I click on it, if you're paying enough attention, you could kind of. But I just remember, the actual brand names from. I don't know what these wheels are from. It's so weird. We're actually gonna go this way. This thing, honestly, it's not quite as fast as the Avalon. And I think it's more expensive than the Avalon, and you do need the Classics Pass for this thing, but it's a nice, solid car. It's a great truck, and it's not like a pickup truck. I know a lot of people like the older pickup trucks, but they don't really have to be classic pickup trucks in this game. But this thing is a genuine nice car. It takes a little while to get up, even up to 60, but it's a pretty nice car. I always think there's a turn right there. It's a genuine, pretty nice car, and for that, I'm gonna give it a 7.6 out of 10. So again, the lowest car, the Kia Stinger, is the winner. Usually I don't like giving the newest car the winner badge, but you know, sometimes it's just you just have to, because they're the nicest. With that said though, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the like button. Please consider subscribing. Go check out my other channel, Unbox Central, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.